Hey guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Miss Cecee. Today I am giving you my 2-hour transformation. I'm giving you makeup, hair, and I'm giving you outfits, accessories, so on and so on. I got a little shimmer shim going on here, a little smell good little perfume. So we are talking about that whole deal through this video. If you are interested in seeing what I do for my 2-hour transformation, keep on watching. Let's get into action. Okay, so if you can see, I'm still working on the little digits on the little ring light because my lips look a little cool and my teeth look a lot yellower than what they are, even though still working on lighting. But anyway, we're gonna get it together one of these days. I do have a video coming out on how I'm recently doing my eyebrows. Nothing's changed. It's just that I got a little better with describing how I did my eyebrows, how I do my eyebrows, sculpting my eyebrows, and what products I'm using depending on my hair color. That should be out before this video. I've been working my ass off this weekend, guys, because I am off. It's the 4th of July. So I'm trying to get these videos out to you guys. Work with me. As you can see, I still got a little mustache right here, so let's go ahead and take care of this. Alright. Okay. Looking cute, looking cute. I still got a little bit of concealer on the back of my hand. I don't know if I'm going to do color or not right now because I just want to do something really, really cute and get out the door. So never mind that. I prepped my skin this morning using the Olay Henriksen Truth Serum. I love this serum because it's a collagen boosted with true C complex inside of it. Smells really, really good. It gets a little tacky on my face and on my neck. It feels very refreshing. Then after that, I went on top of the C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Now this gel is very nice. It feels so hydrating and it smells good. And guys, when I tell you it melts into the skin very quickly. Great. I like this. This is not a stranger to my channel, the UV Expert. It does have SPF 50 inside. It's an aqua gel and it really feels good. It does melt into the skin very nicely. So let's go ahead and squirt this a little bit. And it's pretty expensive, so that's all you need. She said be ready by 10 o'clock and it's 8:18. Let's go ahead and prep the eyes. I am going to be using a Morphe E23, just using what I have on the back of my hand. And let's buff this into the eyelid. So are you celebrating the 4th or have you already celebrated Juneteenth? Juneteenth is a holiday. I mean, some things they don't teach you in the history books. What's happening right now is something that a lot of people are afraid of. A lot of people do not want to admit. And a lot of people do not want to concern themselves with it. It's okay to feel the way you feel. Whoever feel the way they feel. You feel how you feel for a reason, and God gave you feelings for you. This is the Fenty bronzer. I will be using this throughout the video in a shade Caramel Cutie. I said in a recent video that it wasn't working for me, but girl, I'm looking at the video like, yes it did. I mean, it looked good. But now that I've gotten a little bit more sun, I don't know, it may not work. I don't know y'all, but I'm gonna try my best to make it work. Let me deepen it out. This is the Morphe Debutante bronzer, and I just want to deepen the outer corner crease area. Eyeshadow stick. This is not a turn up, so if you run out, you will have to sharpen it with a sharpener because it doesn't turn. So this buy you a separate sharpener for the glitter sticks or whatever. So I'm just gonna put this down as my base. All right, let's go with that topper. This is in the shade Dazzle. It's kind of like a green goldish looking. Oh yeah, that's cute. Sorry I got real quiet, y'all, but I'm supposed to be done with these eyes. Go ahead and blend that up into the crease area before it dries. Especially if you got hooded eyes, like I got that crease area right here. But you know, I've learned to embrace my hood though. I normally don't do glitter if I'm rushing because as you can see, the fallout. But girl, we are gonna clean that up and we're gonna keep it moving. I'm just really wanting to put the sunscreen on under there because that's like a lot more important. This is the CoverGirl. This is the 320 liquid eyeliner. This is in the shade, I think, brown. It's a little wing, nothing extravagant. Lashes we are going to be wearing is the 661s from Salon Perfect. This is the extension Seekers. Y'all grilling out or you just cooking something traditional like Thanksgiving and Christmas. You know, it's like every time when the 4th of July come around or whatever, everybody think they got the barbecue. But it's like, dang, don't you have that every year? For the face, let's go ahead and put our primers on. First, I'm going to move in with the Rebound from Urban Decay. This is a collagen infused primer spray. It's really, really good for the skin. I mean, it really does. I see a big difference once I use that in the longevity of my makeup and applying the makeup. I'm going to use 2 primers. This is the Infallible Matte Lock Primer, and I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty Hydrating Pro Filter Primer. I use this one first. 2 pumps of that. Squirt of the Matte Lock Primer here. Here. Just a little bit. A little bit take you a long way. Alright, let's check out the lashes. Just like that. I got 2 foundations. I have the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. This is in the shade 510 Hazelnut. And then I have my Stay Naked from Urban Decay Foundation. This is in the shade 60W1. I think it's O for orange because it does pull a little bit of orangey on my skin, but I do need that balance in between the 2 right now because I'm going to be out in the sun. I don't want to be looking like white, ashy, greasy ball. I do 1 pump of that, Urban Decay. And I really don't use that until it gets a little hotter outside. That right there is a matte foundation, girl. Oh, and I like to shake this up. It's got sunscreen. I noticed that in my last tutorial when I tried this out. I'll link it up here so you guys can click on it. I noticed that it was really, really runny and it looked a certain way on my skin. And then I kept saying, why is it looking like this? And it dawned on me, the sunscreen inside. My SD card just tried to play me, but I handled that real quick. Alright, so here got my concoction right here. I'm just gonna take the Morphe M439 and let's try it out. Ooh, it's pretty. I think I did alright with the shade. And we are going to contour and we're going to highlight. So if you like me, you like a bright under eye area, it's okay to go a little darker on your foundation. Okay, just a little bit. Let's go ahead and curl these lashes. Time is, girl. Oh, that's what it's so. What I wanted to do is add some corrector around my mouth. So I'm going to use just a little bit shade Deep Cinnamon of the 16-Hour Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'll let that sit just a little bit. So I'm going to move on to the eye highlighting. I'm going to place some of my Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer. I always have to remind myself to put the shade down below and look it up. But it is like a very nice corrector for me and it's very hydrating up under the eyes. And then I'm going to place some of the e.l.f. And this is in the shade Deep Caramel. This is the same shade that I used earlier for the brows. I'm running out of time. Alright, so while that's sitting a little bit, let me spray a refresher. This is the NYX Bear With Me Refreshing Spray. It's a prime, set, and refresher, so. Do I want to contour? Girl, who am I lying to? I do want to contour. This is the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette. Just some more of, I'll use a little bit of that. Let's make it pop. Hell, let's just use all 3 of them. And this is the e.l.f. Small Stippling Brush. Alright, so we're looking a little sculpted, which is what we wanted. This beauty blender is damp, by the way. I try to use my collab powder. Loose setting, Set the Stage, Ultra Fine Powder. Almond Caramel 0708. It blends into my skin really, really good. It's not drying, but it's mattifying. This is a Derma blend. This is a Warm Saffron. Mix that a little bit with my collab powder just to set the rest of my face. Alright, so bronzers. Let's go ahead and use the Debutante Morphe for a contour right now. And I'm just going to put this on a Morphe R4 brush. I'm going to try to have these brushes down below, guys, because I know a couple people want to know what brushes I use. I normally put a favorite brush, but scroll down to the description box and just actually see the brushes that I'm using. You know, what I use on a day-to-day basis, so you can actually start practicing. Oh, and I'm holding the brush like this because I want to get it really tapered. And I want to just actually make sure I place the product where I need it to go. Normally I hold it down here, that's blended softly, but no. I want those cheek bumps to pop today. And this is the Fenty bronzer, just a little bit on top of the contour from Morphe. But I just take a little angle brush, take my Caramel Cutie to do my contour on my nose. I want to flick it up into my brow bone so it can be natural, you know. Alright, so I need to go ahead and fix this eyelash, y'all. So let me go ahead and do that right quick. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the Peachy Love. It does have 3 shades. Nectarine, Ginger, and Miami. And this is just a Lancome blush brush. I'm going to use them all today. Then I'm going to use Bronze Goddess from Lancome. This is the Bronze Goddess Heat Wave #1 Illuminating Powder. And it did break, so I gotta be really, really careful. And this stuff is very pigmented, so you only need a little bit. Yeah, that'll be real fun. Let me use the Screamin' shade out of the Shockwave LA Girl. Okay, so yeah, that looks really, really cute, as I can say, but it doesn't go with the shadows. I don't know, maybe once I put mascara on, it'll all look cute. Maybe. The thing about that illuminator, it is not like boom, boom, you know. Alright, so let's go ahead and spray the face with my Smashbox setting spray. This is the Photo Finish Weightless Spray. Gotta go ahead and do my lips. First, I want to use the matte lip liner in the NYX Suede. This is in the shade Downtown Beauty. And then I'm going to contour with Espresso. And if you hear that noise in the background, I think someone is snoring, sleeping. Don't Be Shy in the Dose of Color lip gloss. Put it in the center. Then I'm gonna go on top of that with macchiato. This is kind of like a orangey undertone to it. All right, so let me go ahead and do my hair, and then we'll do a mascara. let's go ahead and do some Bronze Goddess Estee Lauder. This is the shimmering body oil. I just want to shake it up real good and apply some right up in there. Now this don't have as many shimmers as the second one or the first Bronze Goddess, but one of them have a lot more shimmer inside of it. If you guys are familiar with that, could you leave that down below in the comment section? But this is a really good product. It smells very good and it's subtle on the glimmer. More of a body oil perfume. This is it. I'm gonna do my outro so you guys can see my outfit. I have worn this outfit before in one of my tutorials, but it's been so long ago. So yeah, let's go get my phone. Oh, lotion. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here go the fit. Got the shoes by Coach. Got the purse by Coach. Match the fit. Kind of slim thick on the waist side with it, but girl, we are going to rock this one-piece jumpsuit. Okay, the hair ready, got the earrings on, looking mighty cute. Outfit is by Rue 21. Shades is from these shades. Damn. I don't remember, but I will make sure I put it down below. Okay, earrings is from Rue 21, and that is it, girl. Got my press-ons on. Ready to go. Oh, I gotta get my other ring, so I make sure I show you guys my other ring later. Is that the bling you guys was talking about? Excuse my trying to film with one hand type of thing, because I'm not used to this. Give me a little bit and I'll get into it. But cake in the back. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends. And follow me on all of my other platforms, which is Instagram, Twitter, and here in YouTube. I do have Snapchat, but I'm not really on that. But here, Instagram, and Twitter. Yep, that's it. And love you guys.